Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add a wish list on Temu. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. For the matter of, first of all, we have to access our particular Temu app on our mobile phone, and then we're going to tap on any of the product that we would like to add into our wish list, right? So let's say this is the one. We're gonna find this kind of interface, right? So for that we will have this little heart icon on the top of over here. If you're not getting that, the first thing we will have to do is go to our Play Store, go to top, and simply type in Temu and simply update our app if it's not. So once we have updated it, we will be able to, and once you updated it, we're simply going to tap on open again, and we will simply get access it. So currently it is not available for us, but you will find this little heart icon on top between the search and this little download icon, checkout icon. Once you have tapped on it, it will simply add this add to wish list option, and then you will be able to add the particular product to your wish list. Afterwards, you're gonna go back, tap on this view icon below, and you will find that wish list option just given right over here. Once you have tapped on it, you will find all of the products that you have added to over there. That is how you can access it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.